The Scrolla app presents itself as an entertaining social platform where you can browse an infinite feed of reels and short clips, view popular videos, and even produce your own material. It sounds promising, but the real question is the Scroll app truly trustworthy, or should you be cautious before installing it? Let's examine it step by step. Please watch until the end, as the final points are crucial. First, a good indicator. The app is accessible on the Google Play Store. This means it has met Google's fundamental review standards for listing. It also simplifies downloading and updating. Being available on the Play Store offers a degree of transparency and credibility. Additionally, Scrolla maintains an active Facebook presence. This demonstrates they are engaged and reachable by users. A social media channel is a helpful way to connect with their audience, share news, and foster confidence. It also gives users a space to engage with the brand and discuss their experiences. Another reassuring detail is that the app references Tron Ltd. As its developer. Having an associated company name lends credibility, suggesting there is a real organization behind the service, which is always more reassuring. Scrolla also lists several contact methods: an email address, a phone number, and a physical office address. This shows they are open to communication and prepared to help users. Providing these details reflects transparency and a commitment to user support. Now, let's consider user feedback. When we looked for independent reviews on platforms like Trustpilot, we found none. This is concerning, as most legitimate apps have at least some external reviews. Without this feedback, it is difficult to confirm genuine user experiences. This could mean the app is very recent or has not yet established a reliable reputation. So, is the Scrolla app legitimate? Based on our findings, there are some positive signs. Availability on the Play Store, an active Facebook page, a registered company name, and clear contact information. However, the total lack of reviews on trusted third-party sites is a significant warning sign. Currently, Scrolla appears to be a very new or unverified platform. Therefore, it's wise to proceed carefully and avoid placing full trust in it right away. Thank you for staying until the end. If you found this helpful, please remember to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our honest app reviews and updates.